everyone, so now we'll be going through the last function, which is inventory transaction. So inventory transactions display all transactions performed for each product by transaction date and storage location. You can look through from here. When I click show more, you can actually read through all the stocks that we have done earlier. What are the transaction type, whether it is adjustment, transfer, outgoing, incoming, what are the product name, the order number, the quantity, and also to which storage location. Or if you want to do it in a report, you can actually export it, and this will be into Excel file. So when we click on it, so this is how is the Excel file for reference and further checking looks like. So you export a file, and this will be generated based on the selected location, product, date, and range filter. So you can actually export all, or you can just select from here before you export your file. So this is how the inventory transactions work.